Hi guys, this is JSON.com and I'm here with the freshly unveiled Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. It feels like a lighter approach compared to the predecessor, and unlike the rumors, it keeps the same camera design, but it adds new sensors. So we have here a combo of 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel main camera from the S22 series, and 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera. Okay, plus an LED flash. Now, the camera under the display is still a 4 megapixel unit, but now it's better hidden. Not sure if you can see it here, but the pixels around it show me that you can. I find it to be as visible as the predecessors, to be honest, and I can also say the same thing about the fold of the screen. Okay, gsmdome.com is our website, just so you know. And one thing is for sure, when the screen is totally open, yes, the crease is barely visible, but when you just start to fold it gently, you can definitely see it's there. So there's that. This is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 based device. That's the processor it uses, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It's accompanied by 12 gigs of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage exclusive for the online version. Now, you may see that this video fills the screen, but if you're using YouTube, there will be those options which those annoying black bars at the top and bottom, so you won't get rid of them. It has IPX certification, and aside from the whole IPX8, excuse me, now the bezel have been made smaller, the bezels around the screen, and at the same time the hinge is a bit more discreet, allowing for a lesser crease, well, supposedly. Other things worth mentioning, here we have a battery with the same capacity as the predecessors, but apparently a faster charge. And you can see here that there's a taskbar, which was present as an experimental labs feature on the predecessor, and we also have multitasking, which happens like this. If you open this app, and then if you open this app, you have a split screen, and you can even split it in three if you really want to. Of course, you can also use a stylus. It's definitely compatible with a stylus for sure, without a problem. Now, aside from that, there are a lot of camera features here. You can see them: Pro Video, Single Take, Night. Speaking of night, Samsung focused a lot on nightography, which was also a focus on the Galaxy S22 series. Better night photos, better night videos, better night selfies. Food mode, panorama, super slow-mo, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video. Now, you can do this thing here. You have the viewfinder at the top and a preview at the bottom and some extra options. And if you press this one here, you're going to take selfies using the main camera, and you can preview yourself using this cam. So that's about it. That's how you use it. See yourself and use the preview. Okay, spoke about the CPU, the RAM, and the battery. This is Android 12 with One UI 4.1.1 on top of it, and there's a lot of focus on security here and other features. The productivity focused. It has a 7.6-inch main screen, Full HD Plus, and 120 Hz refresh rate. There's the external 6.5-inch screen, if I'm not mistaken. It could be 6.7. Its bezels seem pretty much the same size. I don't see a reduced thickness here. This is a 10 megapixel selfie camera, and also we have to mention that there is a new under-display camera, a new generation of under-display camera, even though the resolution is pretty much the same. Also a new screen protection, and the device's protection here should be a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, but I'm guessing it's not for the main screen, rather for the external screen, because technology hasn't gotten so far just yet. Okay, so that's pretty much it about the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Expecting to test it further with a stylus maybe. It also comes here in a beige and gold version. There's also Bora purple, or excuse me, rather a green one and a black one. And well, that's about it from jsn.com. Goodbye.